it, guys? Good morning. It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining me. This is a 2001 Lexus IS300. I just got done replacing the starter. I'm going to replace the radiator and thermostat. We're doing some preventative maintenance. As you can see, there is discoloration on this plastic composite, and you can see some cracks right here. That's the radiator and thermostat. So yeah, let's do this. Let's go at the bottom of here. I need to take this one off. Ooh, there it is. Ooh. Man, I need to change this. Oh shit! It's pissing. Dang. Alright. 10mm. Still good. Hello.
Hi, this is Amy with American Senior Citizens Care. How are you doing today?
Fuck. You got it? What did Mom say? Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, just put it back. This one too. Nice. Oh, that is tight. Oh, motherfucker. There we go. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that. Freaking broke off already. Cut these off. This one off. This one off. Okay, this. Oh shoot! Oh damn, that's fucking hard. Oh, that's a bitch. I gotta press. Push it out. Ouch! Fuck! Ouch! Motherfucker! Ah, oh, what the fuck, man? Press. Oh yes. Oh dang, man. What's up with that? Oh, okay, that's good. Good. Ooh. Put that there. This is right here. This one's better. Maybe we gotta take it out at the same time. Almost forgot this one. Oh! Oh yeah! This. Yep. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta make sure these are tight. Good. It's good. Drop it in. Alright, let's do it slowly. Oh yeah. Radiator installation pretty much done. Now I gotta do the thermostat. Motherfucker. Get more space. Man, that fucking dog is annoying. You know, he's a big motherfucker. Oh, got it. Good. Next one. Where is it? Right there. Ziggler valve. Ziggler. Oh man, that's dirty. Okay. Where are you guys going? Nice. And over here, it's a lovely day. Yeah. Oh shoot, I dropped it. Dang it, let's feel it. Feels good here. Good. Good like that. Here it goes like this, 12 goes like that. Right there. Get the two nuts. Let's see what's going on right now. And I'm fixing this car. Get in there. Where's the hose? Okay, good. Put everything back and then we fill it up. Squeeze it like a lemon. Get it all out. Oh yeah. Good. Alright, double check everything. Thermostat's good. Nothing here. Just need to start it up. Need to wait. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace.